Watch up! Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a product review slash passing on a little bit of knowledge education. Apart from being the essential handyman, and obviously I used to work on site, but for the last 20 odd years I've been working as a building surveyor. Lots of the surveys I do are, cracks. Why is it cracks? Why have we got dampness? Why is there mould? Why is there condensation? Pre-purchase building surveys, designing CAD plans and planning, building control, etc. So my day job sort of is involved in property still, but I spend a lot of my time sort of between about September and about April, which is damp season, mould season, going to people's houses, looking at why they've got dampness, what's causing dampness, and a lot of the time it's lifestyle related condensation. Now I'm not going to go into that, the whys, the whats and the whatevers, because that's a whole video series on its own. So what I'm going to say is, if you have mould, there are many ways to get rid of it. Some people use bleach, some people use vinegar, some people use combinations of bicarb or soda, etc, etc. But in my experience, and this is 20 odd years of surveying mould, it always comes back. However, there's one product that I've found, and this is in the UK. Not sure you better buy this in other countries. However, I'll give you the details of the chemical composition and the and what chemicals and what products are used within the product that you may be able to find in other countries. Now, the one in the UK is this. It's called the Mould Eradication Kit, and it's sold by Mould Growth Consultants. I've got no affiliation to this company. I have worked for companies before, helping out local authorities, housing associations, etc. I've gone in as a specialist, looking at their mould damp problems, and 3 or 4 of the large organisations I've worked for have given these kits out to their tenants. In the UK you can buy them online. It's I don't know what the website is. If you go and just type in Google Mould Growth Consultants and type in Mould Eradication Kit, they sell these kits. They'll send them out to you, including postage. You might pay 60-70 quid, something like that. I bought one of these kits many years ago because I had dampness. No, I didn't. Sorry, I had mould in my bathroom when I moved in. I don't feel the cold. The only time I ever feel the cold is first thing in the morning when I'm in the shower and that window stays closed. Obviously I had a fan installed, but sometimes obviously you've got a build up condensation. I keep my bathroom door closed, I keep my window closed after a shower. As soon as I finish in the shower, I open the bathroom window. I don't even bother putting the fan on, to be honest with you, because the bathroom window ventilates enough. And I close the bathroom door, I get ready, have my breakfast, get dressed for the day. I come back in 20 minutes time and that room is completely void of any sort of condensation. So I never have a problem with it anymore. But I used to, before I put the fan in, when I moved in. And now I put this mould eradication kit in my bathroom, and in 15 years I've never ever had mould come back. And this is from someone who doesn't turn a fan on, who has a shower with the windows closed, etc. So this is just about the best stuff I've ever seen. In this kit, I'll open it up for you. We've got a pair of safety goggles. That pretty much shows you how strong the chemicals are in this. You have a sponge, an applicator sponge. You've got a pair of gloves. Again, it's strong stuff. You have a bucket. You have an applicator brush. And you have instructions. Read the instructions, definitely. In the bucket, you can use, this is just a paint kettle. You can use this to mix up your products. This one here is RLT Halofen. RLT Halofen. It's a concentrated solution. You mix 1 part of this to 4 parts water, and I think this is the stuff, you have to read the instructions. This is the stuff you wash the mould off with, I think. But as I say, read the instructions. You have RLT Backdet. RLT Backdet. And again, this may be something to do with washing. You've got to wash the whole area and then wash 1 metre past, and that sort of neutralises the mould spores. I think they're called Aspergillus nigrum, which is a black mould. You've got a fungicidal additive, which is a little bottle there. That goes in paint, paste or grout. You add it to the paint if you're painting, like, always use kitchen or bathroom quality paint when you're painting a bathroom, because it has a mold resisting additive already in it, but it's not good enough. But use that stuff there. I mixed that in with the paint when I painted my ceiling, and it's never come back. Another fungicide additive, you've got 2 of those. What's this one? Hey, the hat trick, we've got 3 of those. So paint paste, grout, paint base grout. So just a quick video to advise you, if you suffer from mould, then I would go onto Mould Growth Consultant's website and buy yourself one of these boxes. They're about 60 quid. They are not cheap. They're much cheaper to buy. Bleach lasts you a couple of months, it comes back. This has lasted me 15 years. I've only had to apply it once. I've probably got, these are probably, I don't even know how old these are. 15 years old maybe. Kept this box in case I needed it again. I've never needed it. They're brilliant. But in the long run, so much cheaper than buying bleach all the time. So, as I say, I've got no affiliation with them. They don't pay me to say this. They don't even know I'm doing this video. It's just my experience as a building surveyor, going in surveying thousands of houses for damp problems and rectifying and being in charge of project managing damp projects after damp project, making sure it doesn't come back. If you follow this and you ventilate and you heat, etc., you know, and they've got a good video on their website called Mouldy. If you're suffering from damp or condensation, go have a look at their video on their website. I also produce mould control leaflets, condensation control leaflets. If you don't follow the advice and you let your house get covered in condensation and you never heat, it's going to come back. This stuff isn't miracle stuff. There you go. There's my 2 pence worth. Hopefully that will help you with your mould problems and your condensation problems. Very good product, well worth a go. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, both very new accounts, minimal content there at the moment, but come join me, help me grow. Remember to hit the thumbs up button and give me a subscribe please, that always helps build the channel. Click the bell button, that always helps grow the channel, and I'll see you soon. See ya!